Welcome students to your geography class. Today we'll do topo sheet and our topic is today first I'll show you how to find out the direction of a place. Direction. So suppose the question comes give a direction from A to B, or you can say they can ask give the direction of this village from this village. This is Gulabganj and this is your Andhra. So the question may come give the direction between Gulabganj and this direction of Gulabganj or from Gulabganj to Andhra or from Andhra. So let us find out how. Suppose now here's example for you. Give the direction of A from B. Now A is here, B is here. Now the question you read properly. Give the direction of A. They have asked of A from B. The from B means cut here from B. So from B. Now you see which direction it will be. It will be your southwest. Your direction will be southwest. So this is your southwest. Next question. Give the direction of Y from X. Of Y is this. From X is this. From X. So from. Cut the from. Now you see the direction is over here. East. This is west, north, south. See, so here your direction is east. So answer is your east. Next question. Give the direction of U from V. Of U, no need to cut U. From V, what we have to cut? V. V. So this is north, south, west, east. So your direction is north, east. So in this way you have to find out the direction. Now same way here, find a direction from Gulabganj. From Gulabganj means cut Gulabganj. From Gulabganj to Andhra. Okay, so from means it is your southwest. And on the other way we have to find a direction. Suppose this type of question also come. This is a river flowing. This river is flowing. And the question may come, on which bank of the river is this temple? On which bank of the river means right bank or left bank. In this your answer should be right or left. But how can we know this is on the right hand or on the left hand? First you have to find out the direction of the river. How to find the direction? So many spot heights are given on your topo sheet. You will see which side is the slope. Suppose your river is blowing from this side, then we will stand this side and our right hand will come this side. We will face this side and stand. Our right hand will be this side. So our temple is in the right side. It is on the right bank of the river. If the river is, suppose in the sheet, the river is flowing from this side. It is moving from this side. So we will stand here. We stand here facing towards this side. So our left hand will come here, right will come this side. So then it will be your left hand. If the river is flowing from this side, then the temple is on the right bank. And if the river is flowing from this side, then the temple is on left bank. Remember, we have to stand facing towards the flow. If the river is flowing this side, we'll face this side. If the river is flowing this side, we have to face this side. So this was how to find the directions. Now let us come to the next question. Sometimes the question comes, what is the conventional symbol at the grid 14, 7, 13, 2? Now you come here. We have to find out 14, then 7, 14 and 7. 14 is here, 7 will be here. Okay, then 13, 2. 13 is here, 2 will come a little bit up. So here you come, see this portion. Here is a small temple over here. You can see this temple. So it is a sign of temple. So this is your temple. Next question. What do the following number in grid 17, 18 mean? Now first you find 17. 17 is this and 18 is this. So 17 and 18 you come here. This grid. In this grid you see 280 number, it is given here. It is 280, but you see 280 is written on the brown color. It is on the brown color line, so it is a contour line. So it is, the answer is, the 280 is the contour height of 280 meters above the sea level. It is a contour height. The next question mostly comes like, name the important settlement in this. Now there are so many settlements. You can see this one settlement, other this is the one settlement, this is settlement, these are the settlements. This is all red color. But we have to find out the important settlement. Which is your important settlement in this? To find out the important settlement, first we have to see the features. What the facilities we have here. See, we don't have much facilities in this. Come to Andhra. In Andhra, we have police station, we have dispensary, then your metal road is there. Your metal road is there. And come to other. Here also we don't have many facilities. Here also not so many facilities. Not more than Andhra. Here also not more than Andhra. See. So, finally, what we will say, Andhra is your important settlement in this area because there are more facilities than the other villages on this map. Here we have PTO, post office also. Then we have police station, dispensary, then metal road, all these things. Then next your question may come, what do you mean by brackish in 1915? 1915, take out, where is the 19? Here, 19, where is the 15? This 15. So 15 is here. 19 and 15. 19, where is 19? This portion is a 1915 and no 19 and 15. 19 is your this, sorry, here it is here. First you have to take easting. 19 and 15. 9 here. 19 and 15. So this portion. Here they have written the word brackish. You can see this word brackish. This word. So brackish means that the water is salty and unfit for drinking and irrigation. The next question, causeway in 1715. Remember, first we have to see the easting. 17 is here. 17. This is your 17. Then 17 and 15. This is your 15. 17 and 15 comes here. See, this portion. This grid is your 17 and 15. 17 and 15. Here you can see causeway. What is causeway? Here your black color line. This is a stream. And this is your metal road. This is a metal road. And this is your stream. So whenever we find like this, a black color line cutting dark red color line, that is a causeway. What is causeway? It is a raised metal road which is used in the dry season, not in the rainy season. It is a raised metal road across a stream. You cannot say it a bridge. So It is a causeway. Causeway is a raised platform across a stream or a road. On a road, okay. So second other question may come, and give the season. What type of rainfall in this area? What type of rainfall? So you can see here yellow color is more, but we have white color also. We have dry tanks here. Dry tanks are there. So many dry tanks are there. So broken land is also here. See this broken land. This mark is of a broken land. So according to this all features, we can say the rainfall over here is seasonal. It is seasonal. It does not rain throughout the year. It rains seasonally. So this was your few questions about topo sheet. Hope you understood. All the best, students. Take care.